Hello, members of the EDAP 690 class, the class that Mayor built. This is your weekly preview for Wednesday, February the 5th. Wow. We are going to take one last long lingering look at Mayor in Module 2, mainly to make sure we understand the assignment and where your resources are. And as I said last week when I was showing it to you, that the Silly Collab Ultra will not let me record to something else besides it. And that's why when we clicked on the little plus sign to add our commentary, the only thing that was there was the ability to do text. I can assure you, and in fact, let me show you, that let's go in here to voice thread for EDAP 690, and we're waiting for Blackboard to do a handoff to it. And once it does that, then I can start by clicking on add your own, create a new voice thread, start adding your media. And your media is kind of the lift you do before you sit down and do this. Now, I'm not going to try to go out and let's just pull in a, I might do that. No, I better not do a PowerPoint because it'll sit here and just keep going on and on and on and on while it loads up the PowerPoint. Let me find just a simple banner that we could put in, or a picture. Let's throw that. Let's throw in the old flip classroom. And it wants, of course, remember I told you last week, it will not allow you to mess up. So I'm going to save that. Now, when I click on my picture that I brought in, and I go up here to comment, then this little plus sign shows up, which you can't see. Let me drag my screen down a little bit here so you can see it. There it is. It's hiding right there. There's our little plus sign. When I click on that plus sign, what it will do is it'll open up and you see these three ways of adding. And this is where I said last week that I think VoiceThread needs to clean it up a little bit, because they continuously call this commenting. And I think that the two different ways of looking at it is one is narration and one is commenting. You're doing narration, but you use the same tool. In other words, you click on the little X and then up pops your tool. And then I'm going to click on the microphone here, and now it's recording everything I say. And then when I click off of it, it then will close out and it will have captured whatever I've said. That's the part that I wanted to make sure that you understood. Okay, which we couldn't see because the wonderful Collaborate Ultra kind of wants to be the bully. It wants to own everything that's going on. So we'll go over that just rather quickly. I'll make sure you're understanding that you're doing these two things right here, examples in the case. That could all be done in one slide. Could I do all three of them in one slide? Sure. So that you would end up having one slide that's your title slide, 12 more slides that represent each one of the principles, and in that you basically talk about examples in case. Then we'll go ahead and say goodbye to Mayor for a little while, because now we're going to start doing the fun stuff. We're going to start talking about using tools that you can use to create other ideas around multimedia, but yet they still pay homage to Mayor's ideas. As always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, if you're still not clear about the VoiceThread ebook that we're building, 502-457-2937. I will see you on Wednesday.